We're back again in the Gamers Lounge, and as you can see, it's a packed house today. We got Gizmo, we got Jamar, we got Captain Moon joining us for the first time on YouTube.
Yeah.
And we're reacting to more Disney stuff. As you can see, a lot of this stuff pops up on my algorithm, and like I said, I want to say that my theme park adventures has a little something to do with it.
No, you're just Disney.
I mean, you kind of are.
It is what it is. But
I saw the last video you guys did on this, and I'm glad I'm here this time to actually
be happy. Hey, but that's Kingdom Hearts. That's everybody, okay? And I still want to know why Kingdom Hearts is not in the parks.
They do have merch. They do have merch.
That's not good enough.
Aren't they right?
And he was ready for some Chippendale.
Aren't they building like a Kingdom Hearts themed hotel in Japan?
I really hope so.
Just give me.
Oh, it's done.
Just give me Twilight Town and Disney Japan.
There you go. And Tokyo Disney Sea.
Yes, just give me the entire Twilight Town. I want some sea salt ice cream, damn it!
Alright, but here's the thing though. We're reacting to more Disney sing-along song videos. This time, we are in the... What?
Oh.
Yes, that's what we're reacting to.
And you're not prepared for this. I saw the last video.
Yeah, you might not...
Is this a try not to sing?
No, it's not one of those. It's try not to die inside.
No, here's the thing. Sing along if you want. But our reactions may kill you a little inside. Because today, we're reacting to the camping trip at Fort Wilderness. And this is gonna get weird. I mean, I don't know.
Like 90s
it's
Disney weird.
90s Disney weird, and that's pretty weird.
Like weird in the fact that you had just the hands of Mickey Mouse doing a reference to The Fly in the 90s on Disney Channel.
That was a thing?
That was a thing.
It was a promo short on Disney Channel when you got the premium package back on cable in the mid-90s. And one of the references was Jeff Goldblum's The Fly. Oh no! I'm stuck in here! Oh!
You ever seen Runaway Brain? That's another story for another time.
Yes,
hit the play button. Let's do it.
Spin that shit.
Okay, so this is the intro and it's super cringe.
Oh, yo. Oh. Yo. Oh, yo. I'm gonna beat you with my bat.
So what am I looking at?
We're 30 seconds in. We're literally 20 seconds in. And already.
Yeah, I'm gonna use this to tie you up.
Damien?
No, not Damien. June 6, 2006 is a long time away. Long gone time. I'm gonna get these kids.
Mickey's
boy.
Mickey's fun songs.
Fun songs.
We're gonna have some fun.
Alright.
A symphony for
Fort Wilderness.
Oh, I see up there one time.
And they're on a bus. No.
I'm doing it now.
I think that's
They are children.
Oh, we got a black kid. We got a black kid.
Beezer!
I still think that's illegal.
That's not Beezer. That's not Beezer.
It's not Beezer.
Okay, predictions on what his name is.
Tyrone.
No.
You would hope it's Tyrone.
If his name's not King or Kenya, then it's failed.
I say Dyrell.
Not Dyrell.
Jamal.
I think it's gonna be something really
I said
stereotypical.
Jamal.
I know.
I think it's gonna be something really. I think it's gonna be
Steve.
something really stereotypical.
It's Steve. Yeah.
Are they gonna introduce his
Darius.
I hope so.
Yeah.
No, let's see. Hold on. Let's see.
Grab your gears. We're gonna get lost in the woods and you'll never be seen again.
This is just weird. You got a whole bunch of kids with a bunch of giant anthropomorphic animals.
Why are grabbing my arm?
They are food. That's it. That's it.
When we come.
They don't know it yet.
They don't.
All you have
They
to
think
do
they're
is have
carrying
Mickey
flags.
Mouse.
Those are the-
All you have to do is have Mickey Mouse in the front, and they'll follow.
He thinks they're just carrying flags.
The Pied Piper role has been reversed. Now it's the rat who leads the kids. Bite me like one of your French girls, Jack.
R. Kelly dislikes this.
Where do you think he got the idea from?
He is not amused. Bare necessities.
Bare necessities, bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I need the bare necessities of Mother Nature's recipes, the simple bare necessities of life. Man, fuck it, I ain't waiting on these kids. Fuck these kids.
We're like singing.
Wherever I wander, wherever I roam, I couldn't be fonder of my big dong.
Oh my God!
Oh, it's the country bear.
And we caught him taking a shit.
We got some honey just for me.
Have you seen my Charmin anywhere?
What?
Oh my God!
Someone
This
killed
bear's gyrating in front of me. You see where he looked? That bear had its junk out. Oh,
seen
too
the
fat
best
to fit in the tree. Oh, come back now so I can eat you.
I just realized that's Huey and Louie.
Yep, good old Huey, Dewey, and Louie.
No, I only saw two.
Two. Oh wait.
No, they were there.
The blue one. No, the blue one's
Nope.
missing.
It's
Oh, wow, they did him dirty. There he is. Nah, I didn't know they did that shit on purpose.
Yeah.
They were just
Fuck you, Donald.
Donald's like, I'm about to beat these nephews' ass.
He picked them up from Scrooge's place and now they're pissed.
Look, I'm making these kids perform labor for free. And I'm charging their parents for it.
It's bad enough
You
that
got
in
the
Goofy
swim pool
movie
full
you
of
see
gold.
Donald
It's
on the side of the
bullshit.
road with a broke down car, and like Goofy and Goofy doesn't hang around them like that no more. He probably brought them there because this is where he lives.
After my wife died and Max got taken by CPS, I didn't have anywhere else to live. So I went to the woods.
Damn it, Donald!
Biking and hiking.
Scrooge has money! I don't want to live in filth.
Oh, and I don't want to share any of my money. How else am I going to swim like this? Oh, you're looking all hale and hearty. And we're marching right about. Oh, yup.
So where the fuck they get the bikes from?
Asians?
They stole them.
Oh wait, no, that's right there at Fort Wilderness. They rented them.
You can rent these bikes for $30 a day.
Nah, it was on
$30 a
$30
minute.
an hour. Yeah, that
No,
was
it was on Goofy's dime.
I remember when somebody rented my bike.
Hey, Mickey, I'm
Never
short.
paid me
Could you
for it.
spare me some change? Goofy's in debt with the mouse mafia.
Goofy is
Definitely.
Goofy.
It was definitely rented.
It's Chippendale. Not that Chippendale.
Oh,
Look, they starting
oh,
shit.
like fuck y'all.
What
Like, we're
happened
gonna fuck with Goofy.
Right to the force of
Out
death.
of here. Those trees.
And now we're gonna trick him again.
He's being
Now the
led.
children are ours.
He's being led into. He's being led. They stole the kids. Oh no, they stole the kids. They're gonna eat the kids.
I can't do a good Chippendale.
Goofy's gonna get eaten by the trees.
Jim Henson would like to have a word with you.
Oh wow. Hey, this isn't my time to shine.
So what's gonna happen to those kids now?
Oh, they're dead.
Yeah, something
They're
like-
pretty
Well,
much
as you
dead.
can see,
They're
the
already
lyrics are
dead.
no longer.
Have you
at the
seen the
bottom.
size of their teeth?
They're gonna get the CGI treatment.
What is this? What is this like the color?
God, that movie was
Those kids are gonna get bootlegged.
Hey!
There we go.
I told you, Paul.
Halfway.
Mickey, I saved the kids from those two perverted chipmunks.
They were gonna bootleg them.
Happy Wander.
He was stealing my what?
Happy
my
wandering.
visitors.
Oh, look, it's the Jungle Queen.
I've been on that boat. It's not that great.
It really isn't. I didn't get to pilot it when I was like 6, so I mean,
Like
like the Jungle Cruise, I was happy with that.
But no, that particular boat,
Yeah, that one's
yeah, it's trash. Like it's what they got. It takes you from Fort Wilderness to the place that drops you off at the
Discovery
Discovery Island. Wait.
Look out for that bird! He'll
That's the
shit
bird
up.
from the Rescuers.
Yes, it is.
Look at it, Discovery Island has been long abandoned.
Yes, it has. It really has.
And it was the only water park that used real river water, meaning that you could have been killed by an amoeba.
Or a gator.
Or a gator. No, they didn't have gators.
That they
They
knew of.
wardened off the gators.
You
But
think
it
those
had
gators
plenty
listen?
of amoebas.
The gators do not care for man-made laws.
Look at that turtle. That turtle's like, get the fuck out.
He's like, I was just sleeping.
Fuck.
How do you think Disney is paid for? Capitalism! God bless America!
Yeah,
Random fun fact. One of the
Is it
oldest-
fun though?
It's kind of.
Alright, let's
A
hear it.
tortoise that died in 2014 was probably one of the oldest pets on this in America. Thomas Jefferson's tortoise.
Really?
Yes, died in
Interesting.
2014.
Oh god, I missed that reference. There were flamingos out. I was gonna say,
So Thomas
flock,
Jefferson
go
had slaves
flamingos.
and
Yeah.
a turtle.
Flock, go flamingos.
Son of a.
Wait, what?
Oh,
Just when
Jay!
you think you couldn't like him more.
I used to have a parakeet like that. The gray and gold one.
Did it be struck by kids just like that? Macaws.
Wait, that's
snake.
a bear.
A snake holding a snake.
I'll sue you for that! I know where you live! The mouse knows all!
A snake that looks like a rat is still a rat.
We are Siamese, if you please. Where's the mongoose to get rid of this snake?
Hashtag Ricky Ticky Tabby.
Hell yeah, man. Maybe we just need Rockadoodle-Doo.
Oh god. Don Bluth's worst movie. Next
Hey,
to
I
Troll.
love that movie.
I hated it.
Next to what?
I saw the Troll in Central Park.
Yeah,
I saw Rockadoodle in the theater.
I liked
didn't
it.
pay for it. I fucking
I hated
it.
that owl. He was terrifying. You poked me in the eye.
I would have
When did that
no.
movie come out?
90s.
92, I think.
Oh, Susanna,
92,
won't
yeah.
you come on me?
Don't feed the bears.
Louisiana, Santa for to sleep.
Man,
Oh,
the country bears are raising
The
hell.
kids haven't even eaten yet, bro.
Come from
No,
Alabama.
they screamed knocked them down. You saw that shit?
They were
Oh,
all
the best
over
up
this
there,
place, and they've not eaten yet, and y'all just throw all the food.
Why is this reminding me of the Ewok adventure? This is reminding me
God.
of the first 5 minutes of the Ewok adventure. That was
Come on, come on.
Oh my god.
So what I'm getting from this is that
Come in, I'm gonna fuck you.
I'm gonna rape you, or I'm gonna shank you, or maybe I'll shank you, then I'll rape you, or either way.
We fucking? I'm fucking.
Either way, I'm fucking.
I like you and I want you.
He likes you and he wants you.
Now we can do this the easy way and the hard way.
Oh my.
Oh my! He's gonna kill you.
You looking fine? Now I'm getting in your spine.
Donald's gonna have some bear stew tonight.
Oh, the bear's gonna have some duck stew.
Look out! That duck's got a corkscrew.
With some duck gumbo.
Now, realistically, them bears would have slaughtered it.
Oh,
Yeah,
of course.
absolutely.
But remember,
And then the
Donald Duck has the power of shut up flare.
Look at that, they hauled ass out of there.
Did they just bully him like
They
high
just
school
bullied him.
jocks?
They bullied Donald.
The Camp Town Race.
Go! Camp down,
No.
ladies, sing their
The
song.
Camp
dong.
Ta- Now, see, this is
Oh,
a song.
hey.
A real song.
They're
The Camp
they're scoping
Town
out
Ladies.
They're scoping out the weak ones, the ones they know can't run away.
Right.
Exactly.
They're getting them ready for transplants.
Notice they didn't come around when Mickey was there. Mickey would have pulled out his keyblade and slaughtered them.
Right?
Oh, now the bears are acting buddy-buddy.
They're all filled with darkness. I must stop them.
Those bears.
Put on these clothes. And
Those-
get to the finish line. I've got a camera ready. Where do you think Disney gets its money?
Do I have to? You want to be a star, don't you?
I know the exact scene.
yes, good.
Yeah, it's good. Was that in
Yes,
between,
that's
was
nice.
that before or after his Jew beating? Look, we all know Disney was an anti-Semite, okay?
Yeah, he was.
I love how they just
That's
look
why they
at
just
and,
froze
like,
him and periodically wake him up and he asks, "Are the Jews dead?" "No, sir."
Speaking of, what the fuck are they doing? What is this shit?
Slow motion running.
Mickey used his slow time powers.
Black kid
Right?
gotta be last. That's messed up. Wait, no.
Better
The
go
black
last
kid.
kid's hanging off
No,
his
the
ass.
black kid pulled back so he wouldn't win.
Exactly. He's like Dash from The
That's right,
Incredibles.
not to stand out.
Above the crowd, even if I gotta shout out loud, somebody's the only face you'll see. Gonna stand out till you notice me.
Hey, there's a contemporary.
Oh man.
True story.
Yes.
My dad rented one of those boats when I was a kid. I was in the passenger side. He sees a whirlpool in the fucking water. They're on the Seven Seas Lagoon, okay?
Alright.
He sees a whirlpool in the water, decides he wants to sit on the motherfucker. To say he lost control of that boat.
Would be an understatement.
Oh, yeah. We spun out like a motherfucker. He's like, oh, shit, oh, shit.
And again, Huey
wow, they are
bunch of dicks.
dicks.
God. Fuck you, Donald.
Confound fucking suckers.
Hey, kid, watch out. You're going to get an amoeba.
Yeah, I'm
We're gonna get COVID.
When I was a kid, I was very upset I didn't get to the Discovery Cove because my parents wouldn't let me.
didn't miss a
now that I
damn thing.
see and hear about all the crap that went down, I'm very glad I didn't go. Oh, look at me!
Let me tell you,
I'm doing tricks.
I've been to Discovery Cove one time. I did not want to get in that water.
Look at this!
Seriously?
I
1
did
foot!
not want to get in that water.
Wait, so it's not disinfected?
No, it was legit from the river.
I'm holding it with my dick!
yeah.
I'm holding it with my dick! Yup. I'm grabbing my ears! Grab my ears while you fuck my butt! Pull, you little kids! Pull! Whoa!
He ain't shit there.
He ain't shit.
I know
He totally did. What's wrong, Goofy? Why ain't shit, Mickey? It tasted terrible. There's something messed up about a duck catching a chicken.
Out of the water? You just fish a chicken out of the water?
Sure did.
Waterfowl.
Oh, that was fucking terrible.
Yes, it was.
Oh my god.
Starry skies above that'll take from the Native Americans.
Don't piss me in.
Don't fence me in. Ain't that a bitch?
You know, black people have been singing that for years.
Yeah.
Next,
I was gonna say this song is wrong in so many
see,
ways.
you see what Goofy's actually doing is he's leading them all to a cotton field.
Cotton. I mean, well, they just said cotton.
Go on, kids, pick as much cotton as you want.
No, I mean, got a
just-
close-up shot.
That
That's
kid
it.
looks familiar.
Just him.
Hey, that black kid looks
Just you,
familiar.
Jerome. You're the only one to pick cotton.
They literally got a close-up.
No, they gonna drop his ass off and leave.
Right.
See, what you don't realize is they're driving right into a plantation house.
Oh yeah.
Up there.
Great,
That's
great
right
manner.
Right there.
Hey, let me tell you something. There's some secret places out there at Fort
Not
Worth.
Jerome, your interest is over there.
Jerome, no, your house is there. But that's a shed,
It's
exactly.
an outhouse.
Hey, don't worry, Jerome. We downplayed slavery in Song of the South. We made it look fun.
Well, I done seen my everything, but I ain't seen your boy no way, no how.
River country.
Ah, that's
River
good
country.
old-fashioned family racism.
Actually, no, that was it. It was river
Couch
country.
ain't big enough.
No, it wasn't Discovery Island. It was river country that I didn't
God.
want to get in that water.
None of it, dude. You don't want to go in any of it.
That one,
Yeah.
I mean,
Because river country was
was
actual
pretty brown
lake
and
water.
Oh.
Because
There's
it was amoebas and shit.
there's a few YouTube channels I watch that do like backstories about theme parks and stuff, and
Shout out to TPM Vids.
that as well. But they've done a lot of stuff about River Adventure and Discovery Island and stuff, and how
Yeah.
it's been abandoned. It's just
Where the fuck
dilapidated.
is that kid from?
He looks like David Chappelle.
No, that ain't Dave.
Gotcha, bitch.
right?
bitch.
Fucking fat bitches in no time. You might even find a nigga or two.
Cause that's how I talk. Ain't you seen my movies?
I'm Samuel L.
Oh,
Jackson.
no.
See? They ate me. A fucking shark ate me. Drink, bitch.
Oh no, what the fuck is happening
What's
here?
happening?
It's Samuel Jackson beer.
Turkey in the
Turkey
straw.
in the straw.
Turkey and the straw.
Look at that, they got a black girl on
Okay,
They
well,
sure
that's-
do it. She's showing
That is
out.
clearly not.
That's not historically accurate.
No, it sure ain't. She be in the fucking master's house.
Getting fucked by that white guy.
Yep.
So,
I'm sorry.
Andrew Jackson? Am I wrong?
Nope.
Facts.
Lincoln, Benjamin, and
Hey, get off the stage!
Or Thomas Jefferson.
Get off the fucking stage!
He had 5 babies with his slave mama.
I
And
honestly
didn't even
had
bother
no
to free her when he
idea
died.
the song had words.
Yeah, neither did I.
Yeah.
Yahoo!
I don't think
It
any.
was just
I
the
don't know.
square
I don't think
dance
any
song.
of us knew these fucking words.
It's the square dance song.
Yeah.
All we heard was
One
Turkey in the
song
Straw.
that they play when people square dance in movies, but I didn't.
Where's
know
Doc and
the
Martin?
actual
One that
words.
people just
Exactly,
always
right?
say when you're partner round and round because they just assume that's part of the song.
Hey, remember the
Now
Bugs?
back to your partner.
Hey, remember the Bugs Bunny square dance?
Oh God! Don't get me started on that. That was fucking gold. I love that scene so much.
Bring her on up and give her a twirl, whirl in the head like an old dead squirrel.
Freaking Hatfields and McCoys, man.
Like, hit her once, hit her again, hit her one time and the critter is dead.
Yo, hold on.
Oh,
This is the same song they used in Back to the Future 3.
They sure did.
oh my god.
They sure did.
The Doc can dance.
Great.
Kid's like, I'm gonna get lucky. Oh, I've got a child.
You saw what he did.
Like, hey, we're going later.
Oh my gosh.
Later, I'll show you how to cross swords.
Oh no.
Everyone gather around for the talent show.
Talent show. What the fuck?
Right?
Who's your favorite
That's
possum?
Talent round, man.
Yo, is that Merlin Santana?
I don't know.
Is it?
I think that kid is Merlin Santana.
Who?
From
know.
Steve Harvey's show. Romeo.
Oh, maybe,
Yeah.
maybe.
I don't know.
I think that's who that is.
God rest his soul.
We'll see at the end. I feel bad.
Oh, I'm
for
gonna
Don.
fuck with you, Donald. You're
I
gonna
feel-
sweep it? No.
Yo,
For
yo,
you.
he's
Why is everyone? Why is everyone?
Hey, he said,
What
fuck
did
Donald.
he do?
You know why? Because Donald's a fucking dumbass.
Yeah.
On a regular basis.
Once again, should have used that Zeta flare in the very beginning 30 fucking Xehanort ago.
Exactly.
He wants him to use the Zeta flare.
He really does.
Yeah, no, he wants to kill everybody.
To be fair,
Kill them all.
calculating
Like
that
God,
amount of
Donald,
he
don't!
aimed that at the ground.
It would have
could
destroyed the world, yeah.
The entire solar system.
Oh, no!
They were
I'm
all
going
dead.
all down my
There'd
hand!
Rightfully
be no
deserved.
more kids.
Oh. Camp wanna, we hold you in our hearts, and when we think about you, it makes me wanna fart! It's like, hope you never part, now get it right and pay the price!
Oh, I love that show.
Rest in peace, Hug.
Yep, rest in peace, Hug. Right here. Who the fuck y'all posing for? It ain't us.
Right? How do you do a talent show and have the entire
Oh,
Jeepers
no.
Creepers!
Wait,
Where'd you get it?
Oh
Okay.
Wait,
Oh my god.
yeah, y'all know it.
God.
I'm sorry. All I can think of when I hear
All
this song,
I can say is not to be okay.
all I can hear is when I hear the song, I just hear Jason, what's his name, see his beheaded head with no eyes at the
Right?
end of the movie.
That is. Oh my god!
Where he's
every
like that.
time. Yes, every time.
Every time I hear that song, that's what that reminds me of.
Another fun fact. I
the
don't.
movie Jeepers
I
Creepers?
don't fucks with Jeepers Creepers because when I was in, I'm younger than you guys. So when I was in daycare,
Opposite.
Yeah, you were in daycare when the
Justice
movie
was
came
5.
out.
Yes,
Yeah.
Justice.
You
was,
were in
Justice
diapers.
was 5. I was 6. I was 6.
I saw it in the
You're
theater.
the oldest, okay. You're the
I saw,
oldest.
And
I
the
saw
day-
Jeepers Creepers in the
That's
theater.
what-
Put your
the
brother in his
daycare-
place then.
The daycare
Before Jeepers
lady's
Creepers, he was with the boy.
granddaughter liked to torment the children when she was busy with something else. And she locked us in the room with to watch Jeepers Creepers.
Oh Lord, that's torture.
Oh,
And then
wow.
immediately after that, Chucky. But I already seen Chucky. So I wasn't worried about that.
Man, let me tell you something. When I was a kid, when I was Mike's age, I loved Chucky.
Nope, I hated Chucky.
Loved Chucky.
He freaked me out as a kid, but I loved him as I got older.
No,
Chucky's the reason I hate dolls.
I saw the fact
I don't like
the
dolls.
fact that there was a movie with
To
a
this
killer
day.
doll blew my mind. I fucking loved that movie when I was a kid.
That made me
Wait,
hate
what?
Chucky.
What the fuck is happening here?
It's a comedy show.
I guarantee that wasn't
a comedy
funny.
show,
Wait.
Barry.
Your mom!
Now that's funny.
I want to know what the joke was.
Oh, and if you want to if you want to know why I'm talking and they're laughing, let me explain something to you. That's comedy! 5 points if you know where that's from. Shut up.
Now you saying shit.
I don't.
None of y'all ever seen We're Back, a Dinosaur Story?
No.
Oh! Roll back the rock to the dawn of time when the lava flows just like a volcano. Oh my god, I can't believe you. That's Stubbs the Clown.
Time is singing that song with
With me. Roll back the rock. Roll back the rock. Turn back the clock. Turn back the clock. Roll back the rock to the dawn of time and sing this song with me. John Goodman. Friggin' John Goodman.
John Goodman, yep. Damn, now I want to watch that movie.
It's a
again.
good fucking movie.
Oh, it was great. Very underrated. Very underrated.
I legit had a crush on that girl as a kid. Because I was young when that movie came out, you know?
No, I remember when it came out.
Yeah, man.
I saw.
I also had a crush on Anna Klumsky from My Girl.
I saw. Oh yeah, Anna Klumsky was hot.
And Amy O'Neil from Honey, I Shrunk the Kids.
Okay,
I had a type. I had a type.
that Donald just about
Donald
killed
can't
himself
catch a
back.
break.
They bullied Donald so much. It's no wonder.
No, he did it to
That
himself
one was
that
on-
time.
He dropped
Donald
the
deserves it.
bag on his head.
He dropped. He sandbagged himself.
He deserves worse.
So he's teaming up with Thunder Rosa.
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
Bro, she's sandbag. Okay, she's sandbag hard.
Well, that depends on who she working.
I see you, Goofy.
Oh, shaking my knees. Hammer time.
Goofy, get it.
Right, let the
How come Goofy's not on stage?
Me on
I
my
want to see a
finger.
bunch of
What
kids
the fuck?
dressed as trees.
Did Mickey just say smell my finger?
Oh, smell my finger. Lick the peanut butter, Pluto. That's it, boy.
Hold on.
He just bitch slapped him. Get the fuck out of there.
You just knocked a little black kid out
No.
out of the way. And he's
Goofy's holding the rainbow.
Now if you ran up and drop kick that bitch,
Right.
then he
Oh, look at her. She's so tasty. I'm going to eat her. Come on, get off the stage. Get off the stage.
Get her the fuck out of there.
First of all,
God, stop being an Amy Schumer.
At least they're getting applauded, unlike the Pokemon musical.
what's gonna happen to Donald now?
No, he's
Okay.
Oh well,
Country road.
Ooh, I like this.
Country road, take me home. Don't stab them. West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older
I'm
than
singing
the
like I know this
trees,
fucking song.
younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads.
All right, two
I hear a
movies every
voice
time I
and
hear
it's
that
calling out
What?
for
song.
me.
The trailer of Fallout 76 and
Oh, God.
Kingsman.
And the
The
golden
Kingsman.
circle.
He's like, don't you know?
Older.
That is my favorite singer.
Dark and dusty, painted on the sky, misty taste of moonshine.
They're getting real cozy with them
teardrop
kids.
in my
Hold on, why
eye.
are kids singing about moonshine?
Hey,
They're getting real
Look at him cozy cozy up the middle. Oh, shit.
Drunk.
Bro, get it. Hey.
wilderness.
Hey.
I mean,
What's he
I
doing with my one?
Of course you
Oh
would.
shit, here comes Donald.
fucked last.
Donald's like, I must protect the queen.
Oh, look at that Asian.
Short round.
He does look like short
He
round.
really does.
Oh my God.
I wasn't gonna say nothing until you said something.
Yeah, of course. Leave it to the white guy to say something fucked up.
Right, if the white guy to say something racist.
Actually, I was the one that said.
I mean, if
Come
you
on,
want me to
Dr.
one-up-
Jones.
Again, leave it to the white guy
If
to
you
say
want me to
something.
one up, he looks like Onyung from
I know.
he looks like Onyung
Arrested
from
Development.
Arrested Development.
Oh God.
Oh no!
I may have started it, but you fucked it up big time.
I love that show so much.
Oh, yo.
Oh my god!
Didn't they find out he could like speak English or something
Yes.
like that?
Yeah.
Like the whole fucking.
That kid looks so disinterested.
He does.
He's like, why the fuck am I here? I hope I'm getting paid
No,
for
because he's
this.
a fucking ginger and soulless. That's
Yeah.
why.
No, he's getting paid for it, but his parents are bloating it all on whiskey and
No,
booze.
he's nervous. He's
Coke
wondering
and-
why the fuck he's there.
Coke and Tennessee.
No,
They did
he's
not
nervous.
roast those marshmallows.
Look how close Mickey was to his
They
back.
didn't even roast those marshmallows.
Those
What the hell?
marshmallows are
Oh, eating them raw!
That's
They're
so
eating them raw!
Did you see?
What was the point of putting them on a stick?
I know!
They didn't even hold them
Happy
near
and
the
you know
fire.
it, grab a kid. If you're happy and you know it, grab a kid.
No!
And if you're happy and you know it, steal a kid. I mean, they tried to steal kids. In fact, they did steal kids.
They sure did.
Just earlier. I'm sorry, that black kid got more drip than everybody there.
Are you surprised?
No, I'm not. Look, he's wearing a 90s ass
fucking
windbreaker.
delinquent.
Do you see the windbreaker he is
Yo, the
wearing?
country bears roll up
That win
like.
doesn't stand a chance.
Hey, the country bears roll. They rolled up like Grove Street.
Hey, well,
Hey,
I
for
mean,
real.
you're in
They were
Fort
watching them the whole
Wilderness,
time.
So of course they have to roll
Yep.
up.
Grove
They
Street,
rolled up.
That's their
motherfucker.
forest. They ain't home.
They gotta make sure they don't discover their meth house. It's literally like 50 yards away from where their campsite is.
You know it, take a fight.
She's
If
putting
you're
the
happy,
spell
I
on
know
you.
it. I
Wait, hold
really
up.
want to
This is the
show it.
spell.
Second night,
She's putting the spell on him.
I'll put a spell on you.
And now you're gone, so gone. Who's gonna go see Hocus Pocus 2?
Well, it's coming on Disney Plus.
Okay, who's gonna watch Hocus Pocus 2?
Oh, you already know we all
All
are.
right.
Come
It
on.
depends on how high I get that
I ain't got to be high a little
Steal
bit.
a kid.
I love it.
I do.
Oh, good night, campers.
Got night campers.
I think it was like almost
Night campers.
4
Why do I
years
see
since
something? Why do I see something really weird about to happen?
There's a moonlight. in the
They
background.
seem
Well,
like
you notice after that
The
little
creatures
dance,
from
there's
South
the
Park
black
are about to
kid,
come out
Mickey
and
Mouse.
sacrifice
Mickey's
all
been
the
next to
shit.
this whole
They're
time.
turning up a little too hard.
I've seen Happy Tree
What do you
Friends.
think was in
I know
those
how this
marshmallows, right?
I know how this ends.
Mickey
That's what I'm
has a
saying.
vendetta. Like,
They're
after that
turning
dance
up a-
part with Minnie Mouse and the little.
Oh, there it is!
Next to
Oh, there it is! Mickey! I got one! It was the marshmallows!
I told you I got some
marshmallows! They're out!
I'll tell them in the marshmallows.
Holy shit! Look, he's grabbing him! Yo, he's getting it! The kid knows!
He's holding on! No, he's holding on!
He's holding him
He's
up.
holding on!
Look, I got pigtails!
Look, he's gone.
I'm always
That
one
looks-
one.
That looks Riverdale.
Ride you like a village
The
box.
Riverdale
Down.
It does.
Alright, Black Kid.
Tiffany,
Name.
Toby Ganger, Brandon,
Damn it.
Okay.
Jessica. What the fuck are these white ass names?
Spencer.
He looks like a Spencer.
Michelle Montoya.
Shira.
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 Alright, so what's it gonna say what happened to the
Tetsuo.
Wayne,
Kaneda. That's Mr. Kaneda to you, punk.
Wayne,
Kill me.
So what happened to the kids afterwards?
They were
He
never.
played young
They were
Kane
never heard
in
from
Menace
again.
to Society.
Huh?
He played young Kane in Menace.
He was young Kane, that's where I know him from.
Okay.
Okay. He was young Kane.
I'll tell you what happened to those kids.
No, that was when Samuel L. Jackson shot the guy.
Yeah.
Hey.
I'll tell you what happened to
Hey.
those kids. They
Hey.
ended up in the Black Hills Forest.
Oh.
That's where all those handprints came up from in the Blair Witch's house.
Oh.
That was... I know what they were going for, and in context, without us ruining it, it's super wholesome and fun about what Disney was, and I get what they're going for, but it's still creepy as shit. When you've got all these kids out in the woods with people in giant anthropomorphic outfits singing campfire songs. Hey, it's exactly what was in those marshmallows. They fucking.
Who knows what was in those marshmallows, but they fell out.
Oh my god, I know who Mickey was. It was Bill Cosby.
So they list the marshmallows from Benadryl?
Who wants a bit of marshmallow on the campfire? I got some pudding in my tail.
Good night. Hey. Minnie saying good night was the keyword. It was a keyword similar to what happened in Get Out.
Say goodnight.
Yep.
She said good night. That's what triggered it. And then when they were saying the last song, that's when they all just all of them.
Say goodnight to her.
No, except for
And short rap.
No, the Asian kid.
Yeah, the Asian kid in on it.
The Asian kid and Brandon were still awake.
Marshmallow.
They were in on it.
They spat those Milos out.
And then after,
Like, I ain't
all
eating
the
this
kids
shit.
are like, okay, you guys have your fun. We're going for the next round.
Well,
We gonna lure some more of them
in.
in.
His marshmallow. He had his whole hand in it though. He probably pulled it out.
No.
I
This motherfucker put him in his mouth, then he turned around, he said like this. And they took it out and threw that shit on the ground.
He
Nobody
did
saw
one of these. No, it's good. The fuck did you make us watch?
Greatness, that's what.
I mean, it was pretty awesome.
Hey, Goofy.
Hey, Goofy, eat this too. I'll make him nice and sleepy. Or McGee. I better get the dick ready. Hey, Maxie!
Like, share.
Wait.
Wait.
I have a realization.
What?
Chip and Dale were the heroes.
They tried to save him. They tried to save him from Goofy. Yes.
The Goofy was like, hold on, guys. You know what happens if you
Like,
do
share,
it.
subscribe, smack the hell out of the notification bell so you know when we go live with new content. Thanks for the support. Check out the Gas Merch store. Like, share, subscribe. We see y'all next time. Brown out.
Peace.
Bye, guys.